Hello everyone! Today, I would like to show you how to enable voice isolation for phone calls on an iPhone running iOS 16.4 or later. So let's get started. In iOS 16.4 or later, Apple has introduced the voice isolation feature for phone calls during cellular calls. To enable voice isolation during a phone call, first open the phone app on your iPhone. Then, start a regular audio phone call with someone you want to talk to. While you are in the call, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the control center. In the control center, you'll find the mic mode section. By default, it's set to standard. Now, tap on the mic mode section to explore different options. Here, you will see the new feature called voice isolation. Select voice isolation. With voice isolation enabled, your device microphone will block out other sounds in the environment, ensuring that the voice on the call comes through clearly. You can turn off voice isolation at any time by accessing the control center again and selecting standard. And that's it. These are the steps to enable voice isolation for phone calls on an iPhone running iOS 16.4 or later. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!